latest fashion and styles is brought to you by MFT channel. Today, we can have a look on trending designs from Mizo designers. The prices of these products ranging from 700 to 2000 rupees. You can purchase from their respective Instagram account once the COVID-19 lockdown is over. Product and its designer are labeled in the video. You can refer their names and search on Instagram to make your order. Dress is a part of human life. So, we care life and we talk about it. A dress represents protection, attraction, love, passion, purity, hidden desires and also secrets. When you dress in a certain way, it helps shift your internal self. Stay connected with us by subscribing our channel.